Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Shiba Inu price prediction and Shiba Inu news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Shiba Inu in 2022. Let me remind you a little about what Shiba Inu is. The Shiba Inu aspire to become an analog of Ethereum Dogecoin. Dogecoin is based on the SHIB algorithm. Shiba Inu with SHIB token are part of a whole flock of canine cryptocurrencies collected from Baby Dogecoin, Baby Doge, Dogecoin, Doge, Jindo Inu, Giant Alaska Inu, LOS, and the Alaskan Malamute token, LASM. These low-value tokens caught the attention of those who missed Dogecoin's jumps from $0.0002 to almost 75 cents. Once upon a time, there was a very special dog in the world. This dog was a Shiba Inu breed and inspired people all over the world to invest in tokens with an image. According to the Shiba Inu website, SHIB is a Dogecoin killer and will be listed on shibaswap's own decentralized exchange. Shiba Inu paper revealed 3 reasons why he created the SHIB team. We started from scratch. The brilliant minds of Shiba have never collaborated before. We love Shiba Inu dogs. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Shiba. Mapping how Shiba Inu's next entry trigger will play out. Shiba Inu, SHIB, saw a brief consolidation between the $0.034 and $0.018 levels for over 2 months. The buyers are now building up tension at its 3-week trendline resistance, white, dashed. Here, do note that for brevity, SHIB prices are multiplied by 1,000. If the sellers reject higher prices in the current range, SHIB will position itself for a near-term pullback towards its immediate demand zone. Following the same, any close above $0.02439 would help the alt recover towards the $0.025 zone. At press time, SHIB was trading at $0.02446, up by 4.45% in the last 24 hours. As soon as the alt hit its 3-month low on 22 January, the buyers took charge at the $0.018 mark, as they have for the last 5 months. Soon after, SHIB bulls initiated a rally that led the alt to double its value, before reversing from its long-term ceiling of $0.034 level. As a result, the bulls have ensured higher troughs, while the bears kept the peaks in their influence. This contributed to the formation of a symmetrical triangle-like pattern in the last 2 months. Recent movements have favored the bulls as SHIB broke out of its down channel, yellow, and crossed its 2050 EMA. Also, the 20 EMA, red, now looking north, affirmed a near-term bullish advantage. Now, $0.024 is a critical zone for the buyers to topple for them to claim a solid edge. Any close below this level would confirm the existence of a hidden bearish divergence and would stall the buying spree. The pullback would continue to rest at its demand zone before the buyers yet again challenge the trendline resistance. Rationale: the RSI's upturn from its oversold territory only saw the 40-mark hurdle and its swift recovery above the midline. Any close below its trendline resistance would reaffirm the hidden bearish divergence. Nevertheless, the CMF crossed the zero line and pictured a buying edge. Also, the DMI reiterated, at the moment, it stands at 1,196,806 users. The second news today about SHIB price prediction. Descending triangle fallout teases 10% fall in SHIB price. On Friday, the Shiba Inu SHIB sellers breached the $0.000023 weekly support and the support trendline of the symmetrical triangle pattern. The follow-up retest phase should validate if sellers are ready to continue this downtrend, suggesting to reach the January bottom support at $0.00002. Despite a sloppy start in March, the ETH whales continue to accumulate the Shiba Inu token. As per an on-chain data provider WhaleStat, $SHIB ranks 7th on the top 10 coins held by Ethereum whales. Let's us study the SHIB2 on March 1st. The SHIB price turned down from the $0.00028 resistance. The altcoin lost 20% during the retracement, resisting the $0.00026 weekly support. The technical chart displayed a confluence of the mentioned support with the ascending trendline of the symmetrical triangle pattern. United States dollars technical chart key points. The 20 and 200-day EMA provides a negative crossover. The intraday trading volume in the Shiba Inu token is $571.6 million, indicating a 23.6% loss. Furthermore, the token price breached this shared support level, indicating that sellers plan to dump the price back down to $0.00002 psychological level. Today, the memecoin turns green trying to retest the $0.00026 breach support. The higher price rejection candle at this level suggests the support levels have flipped to resistance. If sellers sustain below this level, the traders can expect a 10% fall. Conversely, if buyers push the altcoin above the overhead flipped resistance, it would project that the current breakdown was a fake out, and the coin price would re-enter the continuation pattern. Technical indicator: the downsloping EMAs, 20, 50, and 100, indicate aggressive selling from crypto traders. Moreover, the coin chart shows a negative crossover of a 20 and 200 SMA, bolstering the triangle fallout. However, the relative strength INDEX42 holds above the 40% mark, despite the lower low formation in price action, suggesting a slight weakness in bearish momentum. Resistance levels $0.0000226 and $0.0000253 support levels, or $0.00002 and $0.00017. In this video, we will raise the following question: will Shiba Inu return to all-time highs? Shiba Inu continues to trade well below all-time highs. As of February 13, the altcoin price is at $0.00029. At the same time, on October 28 last year, the asset traded at peak values of $0.00086, a decrease of 66%. The price will not return to its historical maximum for a long time. This is the phrase of one of the analytics experts. After the price collapsed by 80% to $0.00017, Shiba Inu recovered by 105% to $0.00035. The coin is interesting for investment. As a target, I suggest choosing the level of $0.00053, 50% of the fall from $0.00086 to $0.00017. With a favorable outcome, the price will reach the calculated level by the end of March of this year. Power reserve is approximately 70% with the current price model. The price will not return to the historical maximum for a long time. To begin with, buyers should gain a foothold above the $0.00040 level. Then they need to hold this level for 5 to 7 days, so that the price does not fall sharply again. Plus, a positive background is needed for the entire crypto market, and a fall in the dollar. All markets are in a fever because of the expectations of the US Federal Reserve rate hike on March 16. Shiba Inu is an asset, the value of which depends entirely on the interest of investors. The more the coin is bought and used, the higher the rate. From this point of view, it makes sense to look at how the developers intend to develop the asset, attract new users, and expand the use of Shiba Inu as a means of payment. And in 2021 alone, the number of investors who purchased the coin increased by 30%, which is a lot. Even institutional investors invest in the asset, despite the fact that it is considered a meme token. Firstly, the shibaswap ecosystem, which includes a decentralized exchange and a marketplace, is currently developing quite actively. Secondly, Shiba Inu payments have become available on the largest online platforms, Amazon and eBay. Developers are seriously investing in expanding the ecosystem, which attracts users, while the scalability of using the asset as a means of payment is growing. There is every opportunity for Shiba Inu growth during this year at a minimum of 30 to 50%. We will also analyze with specific examples what to expect in the coming years from this cryptocurrency. We will start with a forecast for this year, and it sounds like this. It looks like by 2022, Shiba Inu, SHIB, prices will reach a level similar to their previous record high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $0.0003148. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Shiba Inu's maximum price could be up to $0.0003536 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. The forecast for 2023 for analysts is that they believe that the current Shiba Inu price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore SHIB